We're hopefully going to be curing this dripping tap. It's got quite a furious drip. So much so that there's been a dishcloth in the sink to dampen the noise. And the first thing it pays to do is to put the plug in the sink. Now the next thing to do is to isolate the water, and on this sink we are fortunate, we have got a, somewhere under there, it's difficult to see, there is actually an isolating valve just about there, so I'm going to turn that and isolate the water flow. So then we'll open the tap and drain the residual water off. If you've got a water tank, there'll be quite a bit to come out, and don't expect to have a warm bath anytime soon. Now, we've just got a combi boiler here, so it's just slowing down to a little trickle. So I'll just get a small screwdriver in and just gently remove this top cover. So now we're down to a little drip. We'll just undo this brass screw, and as luck would have it, it was actually loose. They're not always loose, unfortunately, so I do use a bit of penetrating spray to help dismantle things. So then we can lift this tap off. So now this is the tricky bit, and what we've got to do, either with an adjustable spanner, I do prefer to use a ring spanner, and this one's 17mm, it could be 19, and put the ring spanner over there, and then we've got to hold that bit steady somehow. Now I like to use a cloth and some grips, swan necks, whatever you can, because if I just keep doing that, we're going to turn the tap round on the pipe. We've definitely got to keep that still. So to give me a helping hand, I'm going to spray a little penetrating fluid in there. So this is how I've done that. I've had to, you don't get enough leverage on that. What I've done is I've put a few layers of old cloth over it, and I gripped it with a swan neck pliers like so. We don't want to damage the chrome, so definitely put a good few layers of padding in between your tools. You can buy a tap splitting kit, but it's not something I've ever aspired to purchase. So now we can remove the innard a lot easier, taking care to keep that reasonably still. So that's just two ceramic discs that open and close. So the solution has came in the form of a brand new unit, and there's quite a few dimensions to cross-reference. 20-point spline this one's got, and you need to measure the length. You have to be really careful when ordering these, as you can get a few compatibility issues. They can look very similar, but you'll find that the spline's got fewer points, or the neck's different. You need to be really careful and check you've got a really good match. They do a few at Screwfix to pick from, so we'll get that fitted. So I've got it fitted and tightened up now, so I'll just put the handle back on and screw that up before getting to the point of testing, which is always the apprehensive part. You can see with the splines we can only set it there or there, so I'll closely match it with the tap to the right a bit, the cold. And we'll put the screw in, give that a nip, and I'll bob the cap in just so we know which is hot and which is cold. So we've got the water turned on, and we'll just check all is well. Now there's only one more thing to do, and that's check for leaks under the cupboard before we walk away from the job, just to check we haven't disturbed anything subterranean from the tap. So if all that pipe works nice and dry and good, I'll walk away from the job. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more low cost repair solutions.